Hey, it's Cap Andy coming to you live again from beautiful Lake Norman. Hey, check this out. Me and this video photographer are out here on this beautiful sandy beach. December the 13th, I believe that's the day, Sunday afternoon. Sun's getting ready to set beautifully over there across the way. Probably in my eyes, that's why I'm squinting. Hey, wanted to give you a quick update on the Lakes Pandemic Pontoon. Well, here we are. We're out on the lake. We've been doing a lot of thorough testing here over the last few weeks. Got great news for everybody that's been following the project, wanting to know how progress is coming along. We'll walk over here a little bit with this video photographer. Hopefully you can see the 12-inch Slide Master jack plate that we installed on the back of the Lakes. Come on over this way with this video photographer. I think you can get a glimpse of it right here. Yeah, zoom in on that 200 Mercury and I'll get back in the frame. So what we've got is a 12-inch aluminum Slide Master jack plate installed on the back of the Lakescraft pontoon. Hung the 200 horse Mercury Black Max on that, and wow, what a difference. Listen, this thing is the difference between a VW and a Corvette. We went from barely being able to run at all. As you know, we were talking about engine height and setback in the previous video. We spent about a week and a half out here testing different engine heights. Same propeller, got a 4-blade aluminum, 14 3/4 by 15 pitch. The Slide Master 12-inch jack plate gave us the setback we need. This video photographer had her ways on last week, turned in a very respectable 43 miles an hour. Still had a little throttle left. That's the Pandemic Pontoon. We're coming along real good. Now we're going to get to the fun part where we're actually restyling the boat, updating it, giving it a really modern look. Hope everybody enjoys. We've enjoyed the project and sharing it with you. Going to enjoy my cocktail out here on Lake Norman, mid-December, 70-degree weather. Hey, hope to see you guys back here real soon. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.